With the Structure toolbox, you can see in the top pane the structure of price list items in chapters. In the lower pane, you have the category structure of the bill of quantities. Selecting the first button displays the structural view with all levels. Lump sum works, measurement works with the relating total amounts. The supercategories, categories and subcategories. For each work category, you can see the relevant amounts. For the lump sum works, the last level subcategory forms a work group where you can see all of the corresponding amount, the percentages of total lump sum works, as well as the percentage calculated on the total bill of quantities, measurement and lump sum works. Selecting the second button displays only the supercategories, whereas clicking the third only the categories, clicking the fourth only the subcategories. In any view, clicking the right mouse button activates the local menu where you can collapse all or expand all nodes, or even make a print preview of the current view. You can copy the current view to the clipboard as a table in Word, or activate the filter to display only the items belonging to the selected category. You can see that the bill of quantities view here is dynamically updated. So this is not a simple data sorting feature, but it can be a very effective way of working. In fact, you can change the measurements of an item or maybe even insert new items. By performing this action with the filters active, you can see that the item added has automatically acquired the work type and the categories relating to the selected filter. To deactivate the filter, you can uncheck the Activate Filter button in the local menu, or if the toolbox is closed, by clicking the Deactivate Filter button at the base of the editor.